right, let's look at this thing.
Here we go. We're full now. This thing is full.
Oh my God, there's so many people in line. Yay! I'm so scared.
You better enjoy it now because it'll go quick.
Oh no. Help me!
Wow, look at that.
I need to turn my lights on.
That is awesome, dude. Look at the city.
No.
Knox, look out there. Look at the city.
Hey, don't touch
It looks like we're flying.
I'm trying to. Where's my lights? Where's the lights?
How'd
Wow.
you like to live up in one of them things?
The skyrise?
Yeah.
I would love that. As long as it doesn't do like this. This thing just like hanging me by just a little couple bolts. Just a couple little bolts. I just watched those drill bits break a couple days ago. Dad drilled 2 of them, brand new ones. Snap! And those same bolts are what's holding us up.
If I stop, I'm gonna get so scared.
Wow, look at that. What y'all think about that over there? That's beautiful.
Hey, Dad, you want me to power up? Dad, you want me to power up? You want to see it? Pika. Shit.
Yep. Look at this nice look. Look outside. You can't see that.
Yeah, I can.
Wow, dude.
Actually, that's the only good view. I mean, you can see this out that way, but I mean, you're looking at the motel.
Yeah, you want to see the city.
You want to see what's there.
Awesome, bro.
What do you think of that, Grammy?
It's all of them's good, Jordan. You've done a good job on
What about me?
You got your ticket. You don't have to have it now. You put it in your pocket.
Okay. Oh no. Oh.
It's okay. We fall now. We're not gonna fall far.
But why are you yelling that out?
Oh.
Stop.
Scared.
I would highly recommend this to anybody to ride. Look how full it is now.
I know.
That is packed with, it's up plumb out to the end.
Even babies are coming. I don't like this. Get me out. Oh.
That's pretty to see that Chicago Shakespeare Theater right
I
there.
know. That's beautiful.
We're taller than the hotel.
I know.
I'm about to say, don't remind
Look
me.
at that yacht sitting there. They don't even have
Yacht.
that decorated for Christmas.
I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And timely brings and you and your king.
We wish you a Merry Christmas and a
Happy New Year. Oh no, I'm scared.
Oh, it's okay. It's not no problem now. We're good.
Well, if I do this, that means I'm scared.
Well, that's
If
nothing to
this
be scared of.
If this means I'm just a little scared.
There's nothing
Man,
to be
Happy
scared
New
of.
Year, guys. How
Yeah.
cool is this, man? What a view.
Look. You ready, Grammy?
Yes, sir. Look at this way. We'll probably be the first ones off because we're the first ones on.
Mm-hmm. What do you think, Bubs?
Look,
Isn't that cool?
Dad, this means I'm scared, really scared, and this means I'm not scared. I mean, I'm a little scared.
Are you a
Ready?
little scared? Good. Just a little bit. Hey, hold my hand. There's nothing to be scared of, Bub. Daddy got you.
There's
I'm
nothing
gonna
to
wear
be
this
scared
when I
of.
get home.
Man, the traffic is bad back there that way.
Can I get off now?
Better get out in just a couple minutes.
We're gonna get our $20.
Jordan, can you call Jordan, can you call FBI so we can tell them to go?
Stop.
We just been
Stop,
around,
bro.
what, 4
Oh,
times?
no.
maybe?
Uh-huh. That's
I've
probably
already
it
3
right here.
times. I really want to get out.
I'd ride this before I would a Ferris wheel at the fair.
Oh, yeah. This thing right here is established. Looks like we're stopping right here.
Yep, fixing to have to get out. Our ride is over. We'll be going out this way.